Merhaba, Ridvan. It's Morgan. Ridvan, the jersey came. It's amazing. Look at this thing. So nice. Ridvan, so it's been a long time. Last time we saw each other was probably 2008 when I was working in Madden at CBI Mine. But through all these years, we've always stayed in touch and remained friends. But I've been following your work as of late, and I just really wanted to reach out and support the Madden Football Club. And I just wanted to say you're doing a great job down there, and I hope you all the success in the world. Thanks, Ridvan. You now have a super fan in Canada, and I will cheer on the club from here.